As the clock struck midnight, the town square in Vieux illuminated the night sky with a spectacular display of fireworks, heralding the start of Saint Lucia's 46th independence anniversary. The evening was marked by a heartfelt flag-raising ceremony and a vibrant concert featuring renowned local artists celebrating the spirit of unity and resilience within the community.
Tonight is very significant for us in Vieux, not just the council but for all of Vieux. Vieux is a place where we have always had community spirit. We have always built a kind of spirit that welcomes everybody, that is a place of entertainment and a place of enjoyment. Vieux is a beautiful place. Vieux is a wonderful place. And we welcome all of our neighbors from around who are here. I've already met some people from Labrie, I've met people from other communities here. And I welcome everybody to come to Vieux and have a wonderful time as we celebrate our independence.
The concert featured household names in music and entertainment from Vieux and the South. Their performances energized the crowd, celebrating the nation's achievements and resilience amid the ongoing reconciliation in a community riven by tension a few years ago.
Yeah man, as usual, I always enjoy performing at home, Vieux. You know, it was a wonderful performance. I'm very excited to see Vieux coming back to its former glory. We're having more events, you know, like the Business Expo was there, the baton relay, and you could see the crowd, you could see the reaction of the people. We need more stuff like that to happen in Vieux. Yeah man, I'm excited about the independence, 46th independence in Lucia. You understand? Like I said, just more events down south. You understand, our people, we're ready to come back. Vieux definitely ready to rise again, all right?
I came here and the MC told me to do something for the people. I always have my music with me, so I went on stage, enjoyed myself, sang to my people. Happy that they listen.
Saint Lucia's 46th anniversary.
Great. This place is doing well. I want to say thank you to the government of Saint Lucia, especially for the youth economy that they've put together. I can see a lot of smiling faces in my country today. Mr. PM, we did it.
What do you think about the crowd you see here tonight? It must be an amazing
Well, this is Vieux, you know. This is Vieux. There was a time long gone now when everybody used to say, don't go to Vieux, don't go to Vieux. That is no more. Everybody is here tonight. Great.
Yeah man, it was exciting, and you know, I had all that support, you know. Them say nothing good cannot come out of Vieux, and they believe that Vieux is a dead tongue, man. Tonight, now man, we prove them wrong, because the energy is up there. And we know say, you know, say every tub have to come and sit on its own bottom, you see what I'm saying? And the cleansing will be the cleansing, you know. So he that dwelleth in the sacred place of the Most High shall abide under the shelters. And we have some good and loving people in Vieux. You must come to Vieux, call him. Exciting show. Yes, sir.
The crowd performance tonight, the crowd, the participation, the turnout, what do you think of it?
The turnout was great, man. The turnout is great. It's still going on, you know. If you look around and you swing your camera around, you'll see the amount of people. It's no joke. The support is there. You understand? Because they know that something good is going down. And, you know, we are well protected by His Majesty, and nothing foolish cannot happen to us, you know. But forget about stigma about Vieux. You can come to Vieux. You understand?
Vieux North MP Moses Jean-Baptiste was moved by the spirit of unity.
Yes, very wonderful feeling. It's also very emotional. I mean, Vieux has been through a lot, and to see the people come together like this around Independence time, it's really, really great. You saw what happened with the baton relay, how the people of Vieux came together, holding each other, hugging each other, children, older people, mothers, fathers, and tonight at the Independence Square in Vieux, it's just a very good feeling. As someone who's from Vieux myself, I feel really great to see how people can come together and just have a good time, and to celebrate their country together, and to be part of this flag raising ceremony here tonight is really a great feeling. So I want to congratulate the council, the Vieux South Constituency Council, and all those who put this, who came together to put this event together. Very nice, very warm, and I want to thank all those who came out, you know. I mean, we have people from all around Vieux North, everywhere, just to celebrate and to hold each other. For me, that's what's most important.
As the festivities continued into the early hours, the sense of unity and pride among the people of Vieux Fort was unmistakable.
Vieux Fort a go rise again. We done been through the struggle and we been through the pain, but we will rise again.
Joachim de Plessis, HTS News Force.